Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Meliana Dwi Konita. Student ID number 1924042. I'm from class 19 1B21. I study at a PSI University Purwakarta. Here I will give an opinion about the ban on smoking in the BSI University campus area. There are several opinions from me, including 1. Maintain academic achievement. Smoking can interfere with academic achievement because the nicotine in cigarettes can affect brain function, such as memory, concentration, and thinking ability. 2. Maintain cleanliness. Smoking can add to air pollution in the campus environment. 3. Maintaining the environment and health. Smoking can damage the environment and health, so it needs to be banned on campus. Smoking can make the campus environment dirty, as well as interfere with the comfort of lectures. That's all my opinion. If there are any wrong words, I'm sorry. Thank you. Next, I will explain about question words. Question words. A question word is a word for asking a question. The question asked for a noun clause or adjective clause. What is the purpose of the question words? Question words are used to communicate in English, reporting from word English. A question word is a word for asking questions. Normally, all question words in English start with the same two letters W, G. That's why question words are also called WG question. We ask the question words when we want to get specific or more information. They are different than yes or no question. We have the next question words: who, what, where, which, why, how, what time, whose, when. Who. We ask who when we want to ask about people. Question: who is that? Answer: my friend Kim. Next, what? We ask what when we want to ask about things, animal, and action. Example question: what is your favorite sport? Answer: it's basketball. Next, where? We ask where when we want to ask about place. Example question: where are you from? Answer: I'm from Indonesia. Okay, next, when? We ask when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Example question: when do you relax? Answer: at the weekend. What time? We ask what time when we want to ask about time or hour. Example question: what time do you finish work? Answer: at 5:30. Next, which? We ask which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Example question: which is your apple? Answer: the red one. Next, Why? We ask why when we want to ask about reason. Example question: why are you late? Answer: because I missed the bus. Not when we answer a question with why, we always begin with because. Whose? We ask whose when we want to ask about ownership or passion. Example question: whose are these keys? Answer: they are mine. How? We ask how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Example question: how are things at work? Answer: boring, as usual. How? With how there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old? How much? How many? How often? How far? How long? How old? We ask how old when we want to ask about a guest. Example question: how old are they? Answer: 24. How often? We ask how often when we want to ask about frequency. Example question: how often does she study? Answer: she study every day. How far? We ask how far when we want to ask about distance. An example question: how far is it to Madrid? Answer: it's 500 kilometers to Madrid. How long? We ask how long when we want to ask about duration or length. Great example question: how long is the movie? Answer: the movie is 19 minutes long. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you.